In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users in Zoho Cliq. Whether you're a team leader or an administrator, knowing how to add users is essential for efficiently managing your team's communication. So, let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. To begin, once you're on the main dashboard of Zoho Cliq, you'll need to direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll notice a button that says "Plus Invite Users." Go ahead and click on that. This will open a new window, which is your central hub for inviting new colleagues to your team on Zoho Cliq. It's a pretty straightforward process from here. You'll simply need to enter the necessary details for each user you want to invite. This includes information like their name and email address. Once you've filled in all the fields, look for the Send Invites button and give it a click. Your colleagues will receive an invitation to join your Zoho Cliq workspace, making this a seamless way to expand your team. But let's say you're dealing with a larger group and adding users individually would be too time-consuming. Zoho Cliq offers a great option for this scenario. Within the same window where you invite users, there's an option to add multiple users. This tool will allow you to streamline the process and save a valuable amount of time by adding several users at once. Now, for those who have administrative access and wish to manage users more comprehensively, continue watching for a bit more guidance. Within the Invite window, on the lower left, there's a hyperlink that says Manage Organization. Clicking this link will take you to the Admin Center, redirecting you to a thorough admin panel. This dashboard is where you can oversee and manage all users across your organization. Here, the left side of your screen presents an option that says Users and Profiles. Click on Users, and you'll find another button labeled Add User. Go ahead and click it. A window will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll enter all the important user details once again. After you've input all the necessary information, simply click on Add User. And just like that, the new user is successfully added to your organization in Zoho Cliq. This process is designed to be as efficient and user-friendly as possible. Whether you're managing a small team or a large organization, Zoho Cliq makes it easy to keep everyone connected and on the same page. I hope this guide has helped you understand how to manage and add users effectively in Zoho Cliq. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing.